Okay everyone, learn to code by coding. LeetCode 1480, running the sum of a one-dimensional array. Well, basically we have this input list called nums, which is a list of numbers. And for each number, we have to return in a new list the sum of every number that came before plus the number itself. So nothing plus 1, 1, 1 plus 2, 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, 10. Okay, well, before we solve this, I'll give you two tips and you can try to solve it on your own, and then you return to this video and see if our solutions are similar. First one is a concept called slicing, and second one is a function called enumerate. You can check Python's documentation and websites such as, well, Stack Overflow, and, well, try to solve it, come back, finish watching the video. Now, for the solution, we start by creating an empty list called output, and then we use the enumerate function. So, for counter value in enumerate nums, well, enumerate basically will return a counter starting at 0, so 0, 1, 2, 3, and for every counter, its value in our list. So 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, so on and so forth. And so for counter value in enumerate nums, we want to append to our output list the sum of our list nums starting at the first element in the list, represented by this sign over here, all the way to counter plus 1. Now, why counter plus 1? Say we have this 3 element here in our list. In enumerate, the counter for 3 will be 2, 0, 1, 2. However, if in this slice we say from the beginning all the way to 2, Python excludes the maximum range of the slice, so it would include only 1 and 2, which, well, we don't want. So that's why we have to use the counter plus 1, which will be translated as the number 3. So the slice will be nums at the beginning, 1, 2, and it won't include 3. So it will return 1 plus 2 plus 3. We append this result to our output list, and we finish by returning the output list. Now we run the code. We see it worked. Now we submit, and, well, success. Now, if you manage to solve in a different way, or maybe you have a one-liner solution or something like this, please, well, comment below, and we'll see you in the next exercise.